Today we are going to talk about Chinese characters. Recognizing Chinese characters, we have to first look at the components. Let's look at an example here. This is a character, xiang, means want or to think of. It has three components. It has wood, mu. It has eye, mu. It has heart, xing. So when we recognize it, we use the components. But in order to write it, we have to know basic strokes. So let's take an example. We break this down. The mu has a stroke of heng. It has a stroke of shu. It has pie. It also then has na. Look at the xing again as example. You have dian. You have wo gou. You have dian. And then one more dian. So now I'm going to introduce you the basic strokes that we're going to use in the class. Okay. Dian, heng, shu, pie, na. Your pen is going to stay. Ti, you release your pen at the end. For heng, we can have heng zhe. For shu, you can have shu zhe, Chinese left to right in writing. For pie, you can merge with the dian. You can have pie dian. It has to balance, so you would not write this way. You gotta make it balanced. Okay. For heng zhe, you can have heng zhe gou. So gou means the hook at the end. For shu, you can have shu qu gou. Qu means a curve right here. Okay. For this, you can also have heng gou, heng gou. This here, you can have heng qu gou. Qu means the end here. For pie, we can also put heng and pie together. You can have heng pie, heng pie. For this ti, we can look at with shu. You can have shu ti, shu ti. And of course, shu can also have the gou together. You can have shu gou, shu gou. Now, for this, we also have a wo gou. Wo gou means to lay down, so your spine naturally curved. So you can have wo gou this way. You can also do it vertically, wo gou. If it's tilted, so it's not horizontal or vertical, this is called xie gou, xie gou. So we can have heng xie gou, heng xie gou. This is the basic strokes that you're going to learn in this class, and we'll use it in the writings.